Have you ever felt invisible? As if no one noticed what you're truly capable of? This is the story of a shy student who discovered her hidden talent and surprised everyone. Welcome to Vocal Stride English. Ryan and Sofia were part of a lively high school. Among the crowd was Sofia, a quiet student. She rarely spoke up in class and many people overlooked her. Sofia often thought, I don't have anything special. I'm just ordinary. But deep inside, she carried a gift she didn't even realize was extraordinary. One morning, the principal announced a prestigious event, the robotics competition. The entire school buzzed with excitement. Confident students from the tech club immediately started planning. They were known as the best. Sofia, however, felt nervous. She wasn't good at sports and she hated speaking in front of people. But she needed to join a project team to pass her class. So, with hesitation, she signed up for a small team that was already struggling. Her team was discouraged. Their robot broke down again and again. Some members whispered, maybe we should just quit. Sofia watched quietly. She didn't know much about programming or design. But when she looked at the robot, she noticed something different. She saw tiny flaws, little cracks, loose wires, and misaligned parts that others couldn't see. Her eyes caught every detail. At first, she hesitated. But then she carefully adjusted the parts. One by one, the problems disappeared. The team stared in surprise. They thought, how did she notice that? We looked at it many times. Sofia felt her cheeks warm with shyness, but she kept going. Day after day, she quietly fixed the smallest mistakes. And slowly, their robot began to work perfectly. The big day arrived. The gym was filled with noise, cheers, and the confident tech club students showing off their designs. When it was Sofia's team's turn, everyone expected failure. But as their robot moved across the arena with flawless precision, the crowd gasped. Her teammates beamed with pride. They knew it was her hidden skill that saved them. The judges praised their robot, and although they didn't win first place, they received a special award for innovation. Sofia smiled softly. For the first time, she realized her quiet ability was powerful. She thought, I don't need to be the loudest voice. I just need to be myself. The story of Sofia teaches us that hidden potential often lies in the smallest details. Strength is not always about standing in the spotlight. It can be about seeing what others miss. And that's the end of today's story from Vocal Stride English. Remember, you have your own unique talent, even if others don't see it yet. Keep practicing English every day. You're doing great. And don't forget to subscribe to Vocal Stride English for more inspiring stories.